How to cook green bananas. Princess Jam. Please comment, like, subscribe. Getting green bananas straight from my organic banana tree. No fertilizers. For the milk not to come up, you just place this paper towel and you stick it here so it could prevent the milk from staining you. Green bananas. Hey YouTube, today I'm going to show you how I cook bananas. Put a little oil in your hand. This is a bowl of water. Okay, I'm finished peeling the bananas. Wash the bananas. Let's add the bananas to a boiling pot of water. Add a little dash of oil. Half of an onion. That's for flavor. And a dash of salt. Now you are going to cover the pot and let it boil for 20 minutes till cooked. This is 5 minutes. I just want to check it to see what it looks like. Okay, it's boiling. Okay, get 15 more minutes to go. The 20 minutes is up and I'm here to the stove to see if the bananas are cooked. Now let's see. Yes, they're cooked. That's it. See, they're cooked. Turn up the stove. Now I'm gonna drain out this water. If you want it to remain soft, you leave the bananas in the water. If you want it to be a little tough, you can drain out the water. Let's pour out the water in this container. This is the water I drain out from the bananas. And there you go. These are your bananas. This is how you cook bananas. Well, boiled fig, we just say. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate your support. God bless, be safe, and see you all soon. Later. Green bananas served with chicken wings and carrots.